Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 25th on a Friday. Market's looking a little poised here with bouncing off this 20 period moving average for a couple of days, trying to gap up the day, maybe get back above that uh, 10 period moving average. I have to admit, the last couple of weeks been kind of tough sledding. Not as just not doing a whole lot. I've noticed a lot of the setups are just not working. They're not following through. It's not like they're failing and getting destroyed. It's just seems like we're just in a kind of uh, consolidation period, if you will. All right, but let's take a look. There are some setups. A couple of them today are going to be looking for stocks that have pulled back and maybe reversing. First on the list is what's our trade of the week? AI. Okay, I've seen a few of these AI companies are really performing well. IONQ, for example. So this one has had a big, healthy pullback, and I'm liking above that 3-day high. Now I know it's kind of in no man's land, but this is one I'm willing to take a chance on if it does break that 25.38 there in AI, giving it a stop below that 50. IREN, IREN. This is zoom in a little bit if I can. Yeah, this is one that has been kind of just going sideways now for 3 months. If it does get above this 971, could be explosive there. And IREN, energy play. Uh, Banks have had a lot of the banks are setting up. I got my eye. I mentioned the CMA the other day, right here, had a nice move. But that's not the one that's on the target today. Is OZK Bank OZK? I think that's Ozark. But nonetheless, you can see healthy pullback. I'm liking it above that 44.72 there. So there's you a few pullback ones. And then the last on the list, you got to keep an eye. I'm actually got a quite a bit of I shouldn't say quite a bit, but I have some definitely have some miners, some Bitcoin miners, and I think if this Mara can get above 1915, it's going to be real explosive. So set you a price alert right there and see what happens. Uh, these are pretty volatile, guys, so be careful there. All right, that's it for today. Have a great weekend. Keep it tight. I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.